Exactly. How do you earn money with your smartphone, or how do you earn money with internet? Do you need a link? Do you need a link? Do you know most people think for you to start earning money online, you need to have a link where to click on? No, it's not the case. You are going to see this comment whereby someone is asking where is the link, and I felt it's not only him. There are most of the people that won't listen, but they are used of in quotes, scammy. They're used on click on this link and go to here. That's why some people will not believe when they hear about making money online. So I'm going to be highlighting for you how to make money online. This is 2025, you guys, and we are in October. This is the month that if you know you have not done anything as far as making money online, it's your right time to do so. How do you make money online? For you to make money online, you have to have a smartphone, of which I know you are having a smartphone. 2, you have to have an idea. An idea, if you want to know which idea, you have an idea, I have an idea. We're all social media entrepreneurs, the ones you call content creators. But the moment you shift from being a content creator and you focus on having money, getting money on a daily basis from your smartphone, you become a social media entrepreneur, not a content creator. You can be a content creator, yes, but we want to change that narrative of where is the link? Can I copy what so and so is doing? Yes. I want you also to know that making money online, overtaking is permitted. You can start today and tomorrow you get monetized. You earn an amount of money that you want. It depends on how you come, your luck, your consistency, and your niche. If you want to know the type of niches that can pay you very well, I want you to go back to our beginners, or you can even go to our Making Money Online playlist. Look for a video about 10 best niches that pay you highly. You'll find their education, you'll find their investments, you'll find their something like how to, you'll find their lifestyle, and many more others. You can also go to your Google and check on it. Now, let's come back to the drawing board. Who is eligible to start making money online? When you hear someone saying how to make money online, what comes into your mind? This is for beginners. What comes into your mind? Do you start thinking they want me to put money and get money? No, don't think like that. You need to start making money online on a zero basis, zero investment. You don't need to put anything. No. The only thing you need to do, you need to make sure that you have a smartphone. You need to make sure that you are consistent. You need to make sure that you know what you want to start talking about. And also, I want you people to be, let us be clear. Don't think that making money online is only making videos. No. You can make money online with your smartphone in different ways. Let me break down the few of them. Wow. One, you can make money doing videos like what I'm doing. You can make money doing posts, like you write posts. You can make money with blogs. You can make money with a website. You can make money with being a freelancer. You can make money with being a social media manager. It is up to you. Now come to think about it. If you're new right now on this channel, I want you to sit down and ask yourself exactly what you want to do. Which area of specialization do you have? Do you know in this age, not only everybody is created, everybody grows up. At least there's something that you know best. If you don't know best, let me tell you something. Start from your kitchen. Start from your house. Start from the things that you love, and start from the things that you hate. Do you know there are some people who don't like people who shout too much? Yeah. There are some people who like people who talk too much. Start from the things that motivates you. Go out and tell people about how to change their eating habits. Go out and tell people about how to flatten their tummies, especially women. without investing money for PBL, without investing money for bridge, how to look nice. These are the things. There are some people who know remedies. Yesterday I was talking to my workmate and her tummy is going beyond. I was like, all along I thought you're pregnant. She was like, no, I'm not pregnant. My last child is 10 years, but she looks super pregnant. And me, I have a remedy. I say, okay, what do you do? Reach home, start ginger shots. And she's like, what is ginger shots? We might think that everybody is aware. No, not everybody is aware. Ginger shots. Then I told her, get ginger, blend it with carrots, do this, do the other. Okay. The second alternative, I told her, can you get bay leaf, start boiling it with Lipton, you put in hibiscus, you put in cloves, you put this. I started telling her, then I'm like, okay, do you know, it helps your digestion. Your bowels are going to run. What am I trying to teach you guys? When you hear that making money online, don't think about a link. Because in thinking about the link, that's where people are going to cheat you from. By the time I was going to do this video, there are two people. One wrote on a previous video that where is the link. Then another one said, which link? Is this link for me to pay? You know, people's thinking is about, for you to get something, you have to put something. But now, Immaculate Show will come up and say, no, poverty is a bastard. You cannot hold a smartphone and again be there without daily income. No, we stop that. Thank you.